update video on formerly known as Buck or Bucky or Bucker. Now his name is Buckwheat. We've made some progress. So Taylor, this is a little update video for you on your horse, and we still got some few little itchy spots for sure, but boy, the panic has gone way down from where we started, and turning out really nicely. So we'll switch around to this side and see how things go over here. Ooh, yeah, there we go. So we want him to come out of this panic, so we're just going to wait till old Buckwheat finds where that rest and relax spot is. It's coming, it's coming. There, almost. Come on, Buckwheat, come on. Hey, there he goes. There, he found it. So he's working really hard, Taylor, but you know what? He's going to get through this. We're going to keep showing him how to down-regulate, how to find calm in the chaos so that he can be cool and confident. Right now we're still a little kooky and crazy, but we're getting there. So, anyway, Taylor, we got his mind right. He can find the dopamine. It just goes through a little bit of panic, but a few more rides. You got yourself a mountain horse. All right.